Today, we're going to explore 5 signs you're going to be successful, so sit back, relax, and hit that like button. Continue watching until the end because I will share a secret tip with you the rich do not want you to know about. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, just a guide to how I manage my finances and invest my time and money. If you align with any of the signs in this video, then please let me know in the comments below. Sign 1. You are persistent and incredibly determined. Take action. If you have an idea, then execute that idea. Be disciplined and eliminate any distractions. Turn off your smartphone and work on the task in hand. Don't be lazy and stop procrastinating. Do what you can with what you have and where you are. You need to work harder and smarter than everyone around you. Wake up every morning with the goal of improving and optimizing your workflow so that you can become a better, more knowledgeable individual. Sign 2. You are confident in your abilities. You talk the talk, but can you walk the walk? Believe in yourself. However, do not be arrogant. Act on the idea. Communicate it effectively to others at first, but then get your head down and work. It will get much easier when people can see and feel what you feel and see, so keep going. Confidence is the most beautiful thing you can possess. Forget about your weaknesses and make your strengths even stronger. Sign 3. Have a growth mindset. Drop the fixed mindset and develop a growth mindset. When reading a book, entangle yourself within the words. Make notes so that the lessons you read will be the lessons you implement. Reach out and communicate with successful people, whether it's online or in person. As you begin to acquire more knowledge, building a solid understanding of a topic, the sooner you realize how little you actually know. Sign 4. You embrace failure. The vision of failure in your mind is the fuel used to keep you going. Make it a positive experience, not one that will drag you down. Analyze the situation and develop a solution because success consists of going from failure to failure without the loss of enthusiasm. Sign 5. You have a high emotional intelligence. You have the ability to manipulate the environment around you by examining people and deconstructing their emotions. You feel their feelings and project them on yourself. This way, your communication and persuasive abilities improve as you gauge the situation and communicate effectively. Surround yourself with people who are smarter, stronger, and faster than you, because you are the average of the 5 people you interact with most. If you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. Recap. Sign 1. You're persistent and incredibly determined. Sign 2. You're confident in your abilities. Sign 3. You have a growth mindset. Sign 4. You embrace failure. And sign 5. You have a high emotional intelligence. Secret tip. If you have been watching this video up until this point, it's time for your secret tip the rich do not want you to know about. Focus. Follow one course until successful. This is one of the most important lessons I learned when reading the book Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. Choose something you're good at and find a way to monetize it, and then stick to it. Do not deviate from the path of success. Now you know, ladies and gentlemen, the 5 signs you're going to be successful. One day after implementing these signs into your life, you can witness firsthand how true wealth is built. If you learned something today, then I would kindly ask you to hit that like button if you haven't already. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you are notified about all my new videos. If you want 2 free stocks worth up to £100 to £200, there is a link in the video description. Be sure to check out these videos on screen now, as I know you'll enjoy watching them. Also, do not miss out on all the fun things happening on my Twitter and Reddit. Cheers guys, and I'll be seeing you next time.